Alright guys, we're just gonna check the room. Once you go inside, this is the view. We have this one first. We have life jackets here, coffee, and what's this one? Oh my god, there's a fridge. There's a big fridge. And it's big. Very good. And this one here, covered. And this is the toilet. And my daughter said that it's like a future because the toilets has like that one, a control where you can wash that one. Shower. There's also a bath. If you want a bath, there's towels as well. And then there's a mirror here. And when you go into the room, there's 2 beds. There's 2 lounge. There's a desk, a TV. Hi guys, this is exciting. There's a TV there, there's an aircon, and there's a telephone. The aircon is so cool. And this is the outside view. Oh, where is it? Oh, there. But you can go outside as well. So there's 2 windows. There you go. This is so nice. So we're gonna so we are here in the cafe, and we're just having a coffee and a cake. So ito yung cafe nila guys. So may mga cakes, morning food, rice, and sila mga chichirya, at siopaw. 4 pieces, 50. Siomai. So there's a salon. May KTV din doon. Let's have a look, Kitty. Come. They also have a Quick Mart. So nice. Charging station. No, our class is the highest class. That's cool. Viewing deck. Just gonna go for breakfast downstairs. Horizon. It says a Horizon Cafe. Yeah. Huh? Restroom. Horizon Cafe is here. Oh, Heidi. Just there.